Craving a yummy, filling casserole that won't wreck your gluten-free eating plan? Of course you are! And this scrumptious gluten-free tater tot casserole with gluten-free mushroom soup is the delish dish for you. You'll start by melting the butter, then sautéing mushrooms. Sprinkle in rice flour, it's gluten-free, y'all, and stir to coat. Keep stirring until the flour is golden. You're basically making a roux, which will thicken the broth and milk that you add next. This gluten-free tater tot casserole is best served hot out of the oven. Bring to a boil and add the fresh herbs. Continue to cook until the mixture thickens into a creamy soup. Now get a big spoon and taste this deliciousness. You'll be tempted to eat all of it on the spot, but resist for now. Featuring a creamy mushroom and turkey filling covered with a generous layer of tasty tater tots, this gluten-free casserole will quickly become one of your favorite family meals. We've used ground turkey for this recipe, but you can certainly swap in ground chicken, beef, or pork. Cook the ground turkey and onions until the turkey is nicely browned and the onions are soft and fragrant. The rich base for the filling is a homemade gluten-free cream of mushroom soup that you whip up before making the rest of the casserole. Never made a gluten-free cream-based soup before? You're gonna love this quick and easy recipe, which you can use in other recipes calling for canned cream of mushroom soup. Pour the turkey mixture into a prepared casserole dish and top with gluten-free tater tots. No need to thaw the tots before you put them on the casserole. Slide the casserole dish in the oven and bake.